Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the government has changed the guidelines to provide quick relief to people affected with natural calamities. Conrad Sangma said that earlier the guidelines allowed only distribution of rice and other food items, but now even CGI sheets are being provided to the people. Deputy Commissioners have been authorized to make their own assessment and provide relief to the affected people.
There
were many houses that got damaged in different districts. About 7 districts were affected and about 400 plus houses were damaged. And immediately I have asked the administration and the departments to provide the relief material to the houses, and the process has started. And different kind of relief materials, including CGI sheets, also are now being given to the households that were damaged.